The first book of Psalms, chapter 126, verses 1 to 6. The first book of Psalms, chapter 127, verses 1 to 5. The first book of Psalms, chapter 128, verses 1 to 6. The first book of Psalms, chapter 129, verses 1 to 8. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 130, verses 1 to 8. A song of ascents. 1. When the Lord brought back those who returned to Zion, we were like those who dream. 2. Then our mouth was filled with laughter, and our tongue with singing. Then they said among the nations, the Lord has done great things for them. 3. The Lord has done great things for us, and we are glad, for restore our fortunes again, Lord, like the streams in the Negev. 5. Those who sow in tears will reap in joy. 6. He who goes out weeping, carrying seed for sowing, will certainly come again with joy, carrying his sheaves. The first book of Psalms, chapter 127, verses 1 to 5. A song of ascents by Solomon. 1. Unless the Lord builds the house, they who build it labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the watchman guards it in vain. 2. It is vain for you to rise up early, to stay up late, eating the bread of toil, for he gives sleep to his loved ones. 3. Behold, children are a heritage of the Lord. The fruit of the womb is his reward, for as arrows in the hand of a mighty man, so are the children of youth. 5. Happy is the man who has his quiver full of them. They won't be disappointed when they speak with their enemies in the gate. The first book of Psalms, chapter 128, verses 1 to 6, a song of ascents. 1. Blessed is everyone who fears the Lord, who walks in his ways. 2. For you will eat the labor of your hands. You will be happy, and it will be well with you. 3. Your wife will be as a fruitful vine in the innermost parts of your house, your children, like olive shoots around your table. For behold, this is how the man who fears the Lord is blessed. 5. May the Lord bless you out of Zion, and may you see the good of Jerusalem all the days of your life. 6. Yes, may you see your children's children. Peace be upon Israel. The first book of Psalms, chapter 129, verses 1 to 8, a song of ascents. 1. Many times they have afflicted me from my youth up, let Israel now say. Too many times they have afflicted me from my youth up, yet they have not prevailed against me. 3. The plowers plowed on my back, they made their furrows long, for the Lord is righteous. He has cut apart the cords of the wicked. 5. Let them be disappointed and turned backward, all those who hate Zion. 6. Let them be as the grass on the housetops, which withers before it grows up. 7. With which the reaper doesn't fill his hand, nor he who binds sheaves his bosom. 8. Neither do those who go by say, the blessing of the Lord be on you. We bless you in the Lord's name. The first book of Psalms, chapter 130, verses 1 to 8, a song of ascents. 1. Out of the depths I have cried to you, Lord, to Lord. Hear my voice, let your ears be attentive to the voice of my petitions. 3. If you, Lord, kept a record of sins, Lord, who could stand? 4. But there is forgiveness with you, therefore you are feared. 5. I wait for the Lord. My soul waits. I hope in his word. 6. My soul longs for the Lord, more than watchmen long for the morning, more than watchmen for the morning. 7. Israel, hope in the Lord, for there is loving kindness with the Lord. Abundant redemption is with him. 8. He will redeem Israel from all their sins. The first book of Psalms, chapter 126, verses 1 to 6. The first book of Psalms, chapter 127, verses 1 to 5. The first book of Psalms, chapter 128, verses 1 to 6. The first book of Psalms, chapter 129, verses 1 to 8. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 130, verses 1 to 8. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.